Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu, and you can see today I'm very different area. Today I am Masuri. So behind me you can see it's Masuri Hill and Masuri city. So you can see, guys, there is a school, and it's all Masuri mountain. And there is Masuri city. So guys, I came here for traveling. I'm travel blogger, so that's why I'm learning English. So guys, I have another YouTube channel, Virendra Bablu name, and where I put my travel content. So you can see also. So that's why I came here. And now you can see it's a Gurudwara, and quite beautiful Gurudwara. And here it's the valley. So I'm learning English, and I do daily practice. Yesterday I didn't record because I was traveling, so I didn't find time, so that's why I didn't. So today I found this time, so I thought let's practice here. So I'm practicing here, and today, guys, it's 18th May, and now it's blowing here little breeze, and it's quite cold, and it's getting cold here, guys. Yesterday I sleep in the rajai and guys, in the night it's very cold here, and now north area side, UP and Delhi side, all it's quite hot, and now, guys, here is quite cold. So you can see, guys, here how beautifully decorated. You can see it's quite beautiful flowers, and here as well some plants, and I'm quite up area. You can see how below this valley and how tiny look these trees. So now, guys, if you also wanna speak English, so you have to practice, because without practice you can't speak. So you have to practice. My regulation is that I have to practice at least 10 minutes daily. You should too, and your English will definitely improve. And write, study also, but speak as much as you can, at least 10 minutes, sure. Nowadays, guys, my fluency is quite slow because I'm not stuttering, not stopping. Otherwise, when I started, so I was stopping in the middle of this conversation, but nowadays I'm quite slow. It's my daily resolution, and you can too. To our resolution that I have to practice at least 10 minutes. That's the most important thing that you can do. Record yourself 10 minutes and see your video, evaluate yourself, what I did wrong, what and when you do in starting, you will do many mistakes, and when you see your videos, you will find that I did many mistakes, so you will correct, and you will do daily like this, then definitely 1 month, 2 months, you will be quite fluent. So you have to practice. Without practice you can't speak, because I'm learning English quite long time, I think many years, but not determined to speak. I was just studying, writing, but not trying to speak. But this time I'm not doing all that thing, I'm just speaking. Little bit I study, prefer much practice. So that's why my flow is quite good nowadays, and it's increasing my fluency. And guys, when I was started, my hand was aching, and I was stopping middle of trying to stop, but nowadays I can speak. It's coming in my mind and not trying to stop. So when you will do practice, so it will flow your mind. Most important thing, guys, that I told every video, that you should explain, because when we are beginner, we don't have much content, much to speak, what to speak, our mind not come sentences, even words, so we have to explain anything, like what we find, we explain. When we explain, so we find sentences, we find words, we find topics like this, that I sit on this iron bench, and I'm at the mountain top. So you can see behind me there is a mountain, and here it's plant, it's quite beautiful plant. This type of explanation you can do. When I was in at my village, so I go to outside at my field area where I explain anything. So you can do like this. Explanation is good. When you do explain, so your mind will find many problems like words, like sentences. When you explain, so your mind try to search that new words, new sentences, and it gives you your mind a challenge. I before said that record your video, most important thing. Because when you record yourself like first days, so you'll see that I was quite nervous, quite stopping, quite not confidence. So when you will increase day by day your fluency will, and you will find a motivation because you are improving. So my motivation, because when I started I was stumbling, I was stuttering, I was stopping middle of the talking, but nowadays I'm quite fluent. So it's my motivation that I'm increasing my fluency. So you could regard yourself, and after that you see, if you put on your YouTube channel I have a free, so you can put on your, and I put on because my duty, it's my work. You don't want to put on, so you see your video one time, two time, and write down your every mistakes what you are doing. So, and write down your mistakes and improve that mistakes and practice that mistakes, that I don't do these mistakes again and again. So it will improve. So now guys, here you can see it's a little mountain school, and it's on the top of the floor. There is prayer going on, and there is also field like, so children are praying, and it's morning time. It's 9 a.m. It's quite pleasant weather here, not any hot, because I live here a couple of days, so I'll show you around, because time I'm here and I'm quiet place, and everywhere not quiet place. So I'll go this area like this mountain, so I'll show some nature, some mountain nature. When we'll go different area, different sites, so we'll find different topics, different things to explanation, and you'll see and you'll find some useful, because when we'll do different areas, so we'll find different sentences, different words. So it will be good, it will improve our word for our sentences, our everything improve, our knowledge, our entertainment as well. When we'll do different places, so it amuse ourselves, that is quite interesting. So next time I'll do like this area, like little mountain area, little village area, little outside, not this area. I went there, but not coming in my mind that let's shoot my English session. So I went there and shooted my main permanent channel. That's my Hindi channel, Virendra Bablu, and so I came here. So it's click in my mind that to shoot my English practice videos. So I'm shooting here. So you can see the beauty of this Mussoorie. Mussoorie is of hills, because there are lots of hills, and houses top on the hill. So that's why it's queen of hills. So now guys, that's it in this video. I hope you will find some useful and some funny, some amusement like this. So we'll meet next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.